Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Graco 4Ever DLX Grad 5-in-1 car seat. A versatile solution designed to adapt to your child's needs from infancy all the way up to 12 years old. This car seat boasts a slim fit design, with cup holders that are 10% smaller than the standard 4Ever DLX, making it a space-saving marvel for your vehicle. Installation is a breeze with SnugLock technology, allowing for quick and easy setup in both rear and forward-facing modes. Safety and comfort are at the forefront with a 10-position headrest, ensuring the perfect fit as your child grows, and the Safe Adjust harness system lets you adjust the headrest and harness in one smooth motion. Cleanup is hassle-free with a machine-washable rapid remove cover, and the fuss-free harness storage adds to the convenience. Plus, the Graco ProtectPlus Engineering means this car seat has been rigorously crash tested to protect your child in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. Experience peace of mind and unparalleled comfort with the Graco 4Ever DLX Grad 5-in-1 car seat, the ultimate choice for growing families. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.